Hello everybody. It has been a while since I've been on here and done anything to do with cooking, but I was making some butter tarts this morning and I ran out of brown sugar. So I don't have any more. So rather than running to the store, thought I would show you how you can make your own brown sugar. So basically, it's so easy. You can do it in a stand mixer like a KitchenAid, or you can do it by hand and just use a fork or something like that, but I'm going to use my KitchenAid. So I'm going to put in 4 cups of sugar. This is just white granulated sugar. And it's so easy to make your own brown sugar. Now, depending on how dark you want it, will determine how much molasses you put in there. So that's 3. Yeah, I'm going to do 4 cups. As like I said, I'm right out. Okay, so that's 4 cups of just ordinary white sugar. Now I'm just going to hold this up here a little bit and move the camera. I'm trying to do this carefully without making you guys seasick. I'm just going to use regular molasses, okay? So now all I'm going to do, let me get that adjusted here now because I moved it. I have a real technical setup here today. All right, so basically you take 1 cup of sugar to approximately 1 tablespoon of molasses, and that will give you a more darker brown sugar. If you don't want a dark brown sugar, maybe just use like a half a teaspoon. I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to kind of blurb it in here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, approximately. Like I said, I'm not measuring or anything like that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my whisk on here, and I'm just going to get this started up, raise this up, and then just start mixing. Going to stop it and give it a little stir. You don't want to have anything stuck to the side. Just scraping the sides a little bit. And there you have it, my friends. Look at that. Let me undo this here. Move this out of the way. Look at this. Now, I still have a few little chunks in here. I'm okay with that, with a little bit of molasses in here. But I let this go in my beaters for about 5 minutes. And look at that. Look at that beautiful sugar. And it's brown sugar. So that's as easy as it gets. For every 1 cup of sugar, put in 1 tablespoon of molasses if you want a darker or a more richer flavor. If you want it a little milder, just go about half a tablespoon for 1 cup of sugar. So I hope you enjoyed this little short and sweet little lesson here today. Happy crafting, guys. Just amazing.